a person has an asthma, so there is no cure. So we have to treat asthma and to maintain its normal level. So how do we do that? We do different types of medication, we do different types of exercises and methods. So first of all, I will recommend prevention. Prevention is better than cure. If you have allergic asthma due to any pollens, dust, so you must avoid those pollens and dust. But we cannot prevent, or we cannot take precautionary measures all the time. So sometimes we have to suffer from these symptoms. So anyhow, there are different types of treatments available. Number one, inhaled corticosteroids, which are inhaled in the form of inhalers. So there are different types of inhalers present in the market. There are powder inhaler and liquid inhaler, aerosol inhalers, which can be used to deal with the attack of the asthma. Beclomethasone, budesonide, fluticasone. So these are different salts available in different countries and at the different with different brands names, but you must see a doctor before using any kind of medication because it is very dangerous. The second type of treatment is usually leukotriene modifiers, which are used to prevent lungs from constriction again and again. These type of medication are taken daily, 10 milligram dose every day, so that a long-term chronic asthma can be prevented. In this include montelukast sodium and zafirlukast, which can also be used at regular intervals every day to prevent the asthma attack. Bronchodilators, which dilates the bronchioles which have been blocked by constriction, inflammation in the lungs. These are formoterol, salmeterol, which can be used in the form of inhalers and as a nebulizer, so to open the air passageways of the lungs. Anticholinergics in this include ipratropium and tiotropium. These are also administered with the help of nebulizing machine or inhaler to open the air passageways. In the severe case of asthma attack, intravenous or oral corticosteroids can also be used to deal with the paroxysm or severe attack of the asthma. There are also certain other medications are also available, but you have to consult with your physician. So there are also alternate treatments are available, like natural medications, homeopathic medications, and some kind of syrups which can also help to open your lungs. So there are very two important medications in homeopathic treatment: arsenic album in the 30 and epicoc 30, 5 drops on the tongues until the disappearance of the symptoms of asthma. You can use these two medications to deal with the attack of the asthma.